Hello everyone, welcome again to GISE Pathshala. So friends, today we are going to start our exercise number 6.1. So in exercise 6.1, first one, question 1, in the given figure 6.13, AB and CD intersect at point O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE, so we have to see angle AOC plus angle BOE means these two. Addition of these two is equal to 70 degree, and angle BOD is given BOD, this one angle is given, so this one is 40 degree. So we have to find BOE, that angle we have to find, and reflex of angle COE उसका reflex angle means ये पूरा angle COE means ये हमें find करना है. So let me see how to solve this question. So friends, here I just mentioned all things, whatever is given. This one is given, angle BOD 40 degree is given, so here 40 degree I wrote, that is already given. जो दिया है वो मैंने पेन से यहाँ पे लिखा है, 40 degree it is given. So now we have to find angle BOE, this one we have to find, and we have to find the reflex of COE. इसका reflex means पूरा ये. Now first of all we can say that so AOC, angle AOC means this angle and angle BOD both are opposite, vertically opposite angles, you can see that. So this one is 40 degree, so this one is also 40 degree. So we can say that angle AOC is equal to angle BOD because both are opposite angle, vertical opposite angle, so both are same. So angle AOC is equal to 40 degree. Now friends, we can say that angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. It is given AOC plus BOE 70 degree, both are given 70 degree. So this one is 40, we got this as a 40, so this one is equal to 30, 40 plus 30 70. So we got angle BOE is equal to 30. Okay, like this, see, BOE is equal to 30. Yes, we got it. Now friends, we can see that COE, EOB and BOD, angle COE plus EOB and BOD, these three are the straight angle. COE, EOB, BOD means एक लाइन बनती है, so ये तीनों हो गए straight angle. So तीनों का एडिशन होगा 180 degree. So these two, we having these two, 40 plus 30. So 40 plus 30 70, so 180 minus 70 to 110. So we got this angle 110. Okay, like this, so 110. Now we have to find the reflex angle of COE, इसका reflex angle. So the COE we having, it is 110. So we know that full angle is equal to 360 degree. So if we want to find the reflex angle of any angle, so 360 minus given angle, so 110, it is 110, so 360 minus 110, so we will get the answer. Reflex of COE is equal to 250 degree. Here our sum is finished. Now question number 2. Question 2 is that in figure 6.14, XY and MN intersect at O. XY and MN intersect at point O. Now here it is given A, angle B, angle C, small ABC is given. Now POY is 90 degree, POY, this one is 90 degree, and A is to B is equal to 2:3. A and B is given in the ratio form of 2:3. So we can also that A is equal to 2x, B is equal to 3x. Friends, it is given 90 degree, so this is also 90 degree. So we can write AX plus BX is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so let me see how to solve this sum. So here I wrote AX plus BX is equal to 90 degree. Now A and B both are given the ratio of 2 and 3. So 2x plus 3x is equal to 90 degree. So 5x is equal to 90 degree. Now we got the x is equal to 90 divided by 5. So it's 18. So A is equal to 2x means 36. B is equal to 3x means 3 multiplied by 18. So it's a 54 degree. So here we got the value of these both. But in the question we have to find out value of C. So this we have to find. Okay, so how can we find this? So friends, we can say that this line and this line, so these both are vertically opposite angle. And also we can say that this is the line. Okay, this is the line. So these both are the linear pair, B plus C. B and C are linear pair. So we already get the value of B. Value of B is equal to 54. So these both are linear pairs. So addition of these two is equal to 180 degrees. So 180 minus B. So we will get the value of C. 180 minus 54. So we will get the value of 126 degree. It's a C. Now question number 3. Find in figure 6.15. PQR is equal to PRQ. PQR is equal to PRQ means these two are same. So we have to prove that PQS is equal to PRT. PQS is equal to PRT. We have to prove that if these both are same, so these both are also same. We have to prove PQR is equal to PRT. PQS is equal to PRT. हमें prove करना है. So let me see how to prove it. So first of all, I draw the figure. So from the figure, we can say that PQR is equal to PRQ. That is given in the question. Okay, this one is given in the question, and we have to prove this. So first of all, we know that PQS and PQR, these both are the linear pair. Addition of these two is equal to 180 degree. Same here, addition of these two is equal to 180 degree. PRQ, PRT. Okay, so both are linear pair. Now, so addition of these two is equal to 180 degree. Addition of these two is equal to 180 degree. So मैंने यहाँ पे दोनों लिख दिए. Now friends, ये दोनों को हमको, we know that addition of these two 180 degree. Addition of these two 180 degree. So we can write this equal to this. So from equation 1 and 2, this is equation 1. This one is equation 2. Okay. So PQS plus PQR is equal to PRQ plus PRT. We can write like this. Yes, of course. But and above it is given that PQ, okay, we can see here PQR is equal to PRQ. Okay, it is given. So in place of PQ, so I just compare these two. PQS plus PQR is equal to PRQ plus PRT. But in question it is given that in place of PQR we can write PRQ because both are same. So in place of PQR I will write PRQ. So PQS is given over here. So in place of PQR, in place of PQR I will write PRQ. So PQR की प्लेस पे मैं लिखूंगा PRQ. तो यहाँ पे PQR की प्लेस पे मैंने लिखा PRQ. Okay. Here PQS as it is. In place of PQR I wrote PRQ, 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 PRT, PRT. Here both side PRQ cut. So we will get PQS is equal to PRT. So we prove that. So this way we have to prove this equation. Now question number 4. In the given figure, x plus y is equal to w plus z. Then prove that AOB is a line. हमें प्रूव करना है कि AOB है या लाइन है. मीन्स x plus y is equal to 180 डिग्री. ऐसा हमें प्रूव कर देना पड़ेगा. ओके, क्वेश्चन में दिया है x plus y is equal to w plus z. So let me see how to solve this question. So figure is giving. So first of all, we can say that addition of all means x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360 degree. Yes, x, y, z, w 360 degree. But xy is equal to wz. Okay, so in place of xy we can write wz, and in place of w plus z we can write x plus y. So यहाँ पे हम w plus z की प्लेस पे मैंने x plus y कर दिया. So x plus y is equal to 360 degree. So 2x plus 2y is equal to 360 degree. Now from this both we can take 2 as a common. So 2 in bracket x plus y is equal to 360 degree. So x plus y is equal to 360 divided by 2. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree हमको मिल गया. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree. So वो 180 कब होगा? जब ये दोनों linear pair होगी तब. So it is proved. Angle AOB is equal to 180 degree is a linear pair. ये prove हो गया. Question number 5. In the figure 6.17, POQ is a line. POQ is a line. Ray OR is a perpendicular to PS. OS is another ray between the ray. So prove that ROS is equal to half of QoS minus POS. We have to prove that. Okay, so let me see how to prove that. So it is given angle QOR is equal to 90 degree. Okay, QOR or ROQ it is 90 degree. So we can say that POR plus QOR plus QOR is equal to 180 डिग्री, क्योंकि यह पूरी लीनियर पेयर है. यस, सो इसके ऊपर से हमें मिल जाएगी वैल्यू ऑफ QOR इज 90, सो POR इज ऑल्सो 90. यस, नाउ POS plus ROS is equal to 90 degree. POS plus ROS means ये दोनों angle of these two is equal to 90 degree. Now from these ROS is equal to 90 minus POS. इसको मैंने दे दिया इक्वेशन नंबर 1. Now QOS plus POS is equal to 180 degree. We having QOS plus POS, QOS plus POS, ये दोनों, ये और ये दोनों का एडिशन होगा 180 डिग्री, बिकॉज बोथ आर लीनियर पेयर. ओके, नाउ हियर, नाउ अगर हम इसका हाफ करें तो मैं इसके आगे मैंने हाफ लगा दिया, 1/2 ऑफ QS प्लस POS इक्वल टू, इसका हाफ क्या होगा 90 डिग्री. नाउ वी हैव टू पुट दिस इक्वेशन इनटू दिस. ये इक्वेशन हमें कहाँ रखना है, इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में. सो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2 एंगल ROS is equal to 90 degree minus angle POS. So angle ROS is equal to 90 डिग्री है, तो 90 डिग्री के प्लेस पे हमें क्या रखना है, ये पूरा 90 डिग्री है ना, इसकी ये 90 डिग्री की वैल्यू 90 इज इक्वल टू ये वैल्यू है, ये वैल्यू हमें रखनी है यहाँ पर. सो 1/2 एंगल QS प्लस POS माइनस एंगल POS, ये तो है ही, माइनस एंगल POS, और ये 90 डिग्री की प्लेस पे हमने क्या रखा, ये. ओके, नाउ फ्रेंड्स हम ब्रैकेट रिमूव करेंगे. सो ब्रैकेट रिमूव करेंगे, सो हाफ एंगल QOS प्लस हाफ एंगल POS माइनस एंगल POS. सो हाफ POS माइनस एंगल POS. ओके, सो प्लस माइनस माइनस दोनों का सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा. सो 1 में से हाफ जाएगा तो हाफ POS आएगा, और बड़े की साइन. सो विच वन इज बिगर, दिस वन इज बिगर, फुल ना, दिस इज 1 POS, दिस इज हाफ, तो माइनस हाफ POS. सो दोनों में से हाफ हाफ मैंने बाहर निकाल लिया. सो एंगल QOS माइनस एंगल POS, इट इज प्रूव्ड. सो हियर आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज ओवर. नाउ द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज दैट it is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree. XY is produced to point P. Draw the figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisect ZYP, find XYQ and reflects angle QYP. So friends, हम कैसी फिगर ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, फिगर हमें अपने आप बनानी है. So यहाँ पे मैंने फिगर ड्रॉ की है. We can draw the figure like this, that angle XYZ it is given. XYZ हमें दिया है, तो मैंने यहाँ पे XYZ बना लिया 64 डिग्री. Then XY is produced to point P. XY है वो P, point P में एक लाइन में है, like this. Now YQ bisect ZYP. ZYP को बाइसेक्ट करता है YQ, तो यहाँ बाइसेक्ट कर दिया. ओके, तो फिगर करीब करीब ऐसी बनेगी. तो हमें वी हैव टू फाइंड XYQ. हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, XYQ मीन्स दिस एंगल वी हैव टू फाइंड, एंड reflex of QYP इसका रिफ्लेक्स मीन्स ये पूरा एंगल फाइंड करना है हमें. ओके, सो फ्रेंड्स, वी हैविंग द इंफॉर्मेशन, द XYZ प्लस ZYP इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. XYZ प्लस ZYP, ये दोनों दिस प्लस दिस इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री, लीनियर पेयर. सो वी हैविंग दिस एंगल, हमारे पास ये एंगल है 64 डिग्री. सो 180 माइनस 64 करेंगे तो हमें ये मिल जाएगा. सो ZYP हमको मिल गया. सो ये हो गया ZYP, ये हो गया 116 डिग्री. नाउ YQ है, दोनों को बाइसेक्ट करता है, ये बाइसेक्ट करता है मीन्स ये दोनों एंगल सेम हो गए. यस, 116 का हाफ, एग्जैक्ट हाफ 116 का हाफ होगा 58. सो दिस वन इज 58 एंड दिस वन इज ऑल्सो 58 डिग्री. यस, राइट. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, इजीली वी कैन फाइंड एंगल XYQ इज इक्वल टू, XYQ फाइंड करना है हमें, XYQ. सो एंगल XYQ इज इक्वल टू 64 प्लस 58, एंगल XYQ 64 प्लस 58, एडिशन ऑफ दिस टू, सो 122. एंड रिफ्लेक्स ऑफ QYP हमको मिल गया है, QYP 58, उसका रिफ्लेक्स, सो 360 माइनस 58, सो 302. So here we finished our question number 6. So friends, here we finished our exercise 6.1. So complete this exercise in your notebook. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.